السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. And today we will learn Surah Al-AADIYAAT. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. We will connect Waw with Lam and make Ain sound longer because of standing Fatha and Ya sound longer. So, wal adiyati. Whenever we stop onto fathas, we always make one fatha and make the last sound longer. And ba with sukoon, so we will do echo on it. Dabha. So, wal adiyati dabha. We connect fa with lam because of lam with sukoon and make meme longer because of waw madda and ya sound longer because of standing fatha. Fal muriyati. We do echo sound on dal. Qadha. So fal muriyati qadha. We will connect fa with lam and make the ghain sound longer because of ya madda and ra sound longer because of standing fatha. فالمغيرات. The raw sound will be bold as well. فالمغيرات. The sound will be echo. صبحا. صبحا. فأثرن به. We are making ha sound longer because after kasra ya is coming. فأثرن به. The qaf sound will be echo. نقع. So فأثرن به نقع. Here the ta sound will be bold. فوسطن. فوسطن به. We are making ha sound longer because there is ya letter coming after kasra. به جمع. We do gunna on noon and connect it with lam. Innal. So innal. This hamza with sukoon goes to noon. We do ikhfa on this noon because the sin letter is coming, which is an ikhfa letter. So insana. Okay. Next. لربه. Ra sound will be bold and ha sound will be longer because of the letter ya. لربه. This ha will be from the middle part, bottom part of the throat. لكنود. We make the noon sound longer because of waw madda and do echo on this dal whenever we stop on it. لكنود. Next. We do gunna on it and make the ha sound longer because of waw madda. After dhamma, waw is coming. Wa innahu. Lam sound will be longer. Ala. Zal sound will be longer. Zalika. And ha sound will be longer here because of ya madda. And we do echo on that. La shahid. So وإنه على ذلك لشهيد. Next, we do gunna on noon and make ha sound longer because of waw madda. وَإِنَّهُ, the ha will be from the bottom part of the throat. وَإِنَّهُ لِحُبِّ الْخَيْرِ, the ra sound will be light because it's coming with kasra, and the ha sound will be from the middle part of the throat. لِحُبِّ الْخَيْرِ, we make the dal sound longer and we'll do the da echo on the last dal. La shadid, la shadid. We make the lam sound longer. Afala, because of alif madda. Ya'lamu, idha, the dal sound will be soft and we will stretch it because alif madda. Idha bu'thira, ma, make the meme sound longer. The fa sound will be connected with lam. Fil, we will not stretch it, but we will stretch the ba sound. Qubur, when we stop on this ra, because it's having dhamma before it, its sound will be bold. Ma fil qubur. Wa hussila, ma, we stretch it. Wa hussila, ma, fa will be connected with sad. Fi sudur, the ra sound will be bold and the dal sound will be stretched because of waw madda. So, wa hussila ma fi sudur. So, if you will look at the transliteration, you can see the ma for this one, it's given the spellings are MAA. If you will look at this one, ma, in the transliteration, the spellings are MA. So the same word, but this in the transliteration, the spellings are different. So if you will rely on the transliteration all the time and you don't know the rules, you will make the mistakes. So that's why instead of the transliteration, you should know the rules as well so that you could read it perfectly. But in both cases, the word is same. We will stretch it. Ma, you will see these kind of mistakes many times. Then we do gunna on there. In, ra will be connected with ba. ربهم بهم يومئذ لخبير. So ra sound will be light. Yawma'i, this hamza kasra i, dal will be connected with lam. Zilla khabir. So I'm going to read the whole surah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Wal 'adiyati dabha. Fal muriyati qadha. فالمغيرات صبحا فأثرن به نقعا فوسطن به جمعا إن الإنسان لربه لكنود وإنه على ذلك لشهيد وإنه لحب الخير لشديد أفلا يعلم إذا بعثر ما في القبور وحصل ما في الصدور إن ربهم بهم يومئذ لخبير. That's it for today, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.